If you think AI is just coming someday, you're already late. 76,000 jobs gone already, and most people still don't see what's coming. Let me tell you something most people still don't understand. This is not just another recession. This is not just a slowdown. Experts are calling it something new, the 2026 job lockdown. And here's why it matters to you. Thousands of jobs are already being replaced by AI. Companies are choosing automation over hiring. And entire roles are being redesigned. But here's the truth most people miss. This shift is not just destroying jobs. It's creating a massive opportunity. If you learn how to use AI the right way, you can build a real income stream, even without coding. In this video, I'll break down the best AI business ideas for 2026 that are already working right now. No hype. No get rich quick. Just real, practical opportunities. Section 1. The big shift. Here's what's actually happening. Businesses are no longer asking, who should we hire? They're asking, what can we automate? That's a massive shift. Because AI doesn't take breaks. It doesn't forget tasks. And it scales instantly. So instead of hiring more people, companies are building smarter systems. And this is where you come in. Because they don't need more workers, they need people who can use AI to solve problems. That's why the biggest opportunity right now is not coding AI, it's orchestrating AI. Section 2. AI business idea number 1. Automation consultant. The first opportunity is AI automation business consulting. Simple idea. You help businesses automate repetitive work. Not by building complex software, but by connecting simple tools together. For example, a business gets 50 leads every week. But they miss replies, delay follow-ups, and lose sales. You step in and build a system that automatically replies to leads, organizes them, sends reminders, tracks everything in one place. Now the business runs smoother, and you become extremely valuable. You're not selling tools. You're selling efficiency and results. That's why this is one of the most powerful AI business ideas for 2026. Section 3. AI business idea number 2. Content repurposing. Next is something exploding right now. AI content replication services. Here's the reality. Content is king, but consistency is hard. Most businesses don't have time to create content daily. So what do? You take one piece of content and turn it into 20+ pieces. For example, one podcast, right pointing arrow; short videos, clips, right pointing arrow; Instagram reels, transcripts, right pointing arrow; blog posts, quotes, right pointing arrow; social posts. AI helps you do this faster. But your real value is strategy. You decide what content works, what grabs attention, what builds trust. You're not just editing, you're helping brands stay visible everywhere. That's how you build a high-demand AI side hustle in 2026. Section 4. AI business idea number 3. Validation kits. This one is underrated, but huge. AI validation and launch services. Here's the problem. People want to start businesses, but they're afraid to fail. They don't want to waste time or money. So they pay for clarity. You help them answer. Is this idea worth it? Will people buy it? How should I position it? You use AI to research market demand, competitors, customer pain points, then you deliver a clear plan. Not just information, but direction. And people pay for that. Because confidence is more valuable than tools. Section 5. AI business idea number 4. Virtual assistant systems. Next is simple, but powerful. AI-powered virtual assistant systems. Businesses still need emails answered, meetings scheduled, tasks organized, but they don't want to hire full-time staff. So you build AI systems that handle this. You create workflows that respond instantly, manage calendars, organize data. AI does the work, but you design the logic. That's what makes you valuable. This is one of the easiest ways to make money with AI in 2026. Section 6. AI Business Idea Number 5. AI Training for Teams. This is the most scalable one. AI training and prompt systems. Companies already have AI tools, but they don't know how to use them properly. That's the gap. You teach teams how to use AI effectively, how to save time, how to improve workflows. You create prompt libraries, templates, simple training sessions. Once you build it once, you can sell it again and again. That's leverage. And that's why this is one of the best future jobs in AI. Section 7. Key strategy. Here's the secret most people miss. Don't sell services, sell outcomes. Instead of saying, "I do automation," say, "I help businesses save 20 hours per week." Instead of, "I create content," say, "I help you grow faster with less effort." When you focus on results, you stand out instantly. Conclusion. Let's be clear. AI is not just changing jobs. It's changing how and the people who value is created. Win in 2026 won't be the hardest workers. They'll be the smartest operators. So if you're serious about the future, start learning these AI business ideas for 2026 right now. Because the opportunity is real. And it's already happening. #fire outro CTA. If you had to pick one AI business to start today, which one would it be? Comment below.